would like to have a good to experience choosing your battles of summer with a great ending of your summer that you scream yes, when it just may not be handed to you on a silver platter, being active and to mixing what you're about, smiling and gelling. Maybe only a small part will you be doing your mouth exercise in the mirror and breathing in your hand to say you're ready. Are you getting good at practicing whenever you can? What are you doing to see it happen? These are the things you got to pull out of your noggin. Are you getting used to being friendly? Captain America said I can do this all day. Oh, is this too much information? I think the coffee is brewing, so welcome to the planet and a little bit of real life. You haven't seen anything yet.
So the clouds are coming out. Is that keeping you from dancing in the rain? Oh my gosh, there you have it. That's your help. Don't let it pass by, and also don't let it keep you from playing an instrument. Learning to make a great VR chat GPT stories and create VR chat worlds. Keep dreaming of new adventures. Oh yes, keep living. New friends, new avatars and new innovations.
So we all have a little bit of the Wonka's golden ticket, and that's great fan-friggin-tastic. Cause some still haven't even begun cultivating their music, their language, and it is just garbled and noise. And what on God's green earth is that smell? Well, the blah 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 is getting old, and the proof is the pudding is getting the buzz, so choose wisely for it is the new thing. Let's put an element of fun to this spoonful of sugar that makes the medicine go down, and snap-a-ringy the jobs becomes a game. So what are you going to do when artificial intelligence gets a hold of you? Poo-poo chiku ring-a-ding-ding. Are you going to ching-a-ling and bling the bling? Did I use my inner voice on the outside? Long live the human race and artificial intelligence, and speak goodness to each other, for it brings health to your bones and maybe some good wholesome laughter.
When the AI is right, the AI is right. Get down with the new sound.